The bee hummingbird holds the title of the smallest bird in the world. Measuring only about 5 centimeters in length and weighing less than 2 grams. Hummingbirds are famous for their rapid wing movements, flapping between 50 and 80 times per second, which creates their signature humming sound. These tiny birds are also incredibly fast. They can fly at speeds of up to 54 kilometers, 34 miles per hour, and during courtship dives, they can reach an astonishing 100 kilometers, 62 miles per hour. What makes them truly unique is their ability to fly in all directions, including forward, backward, sideways, and even upside down. To sustain their high-energy lifestyle, hummingbirds have one of the fastest metabolisms among animals. Their hearts can beat over 1,200 times per minute while in flight, although it slows down considerably when they rest. Their specialized tongues are designed to extract nectar from flowers with remarkable efficiency. Despite their tiny size, their eggs are even smaller, about the size of jellybeans, but they produce extraordinary creatures. Surprisingly, these little powerhouses can live up to 7 to 12 years in the wild, given their rapid movements and high metabolism. They are essential pollinators, visiting hundreds of flowers in a single day to feed. The dazzling colors of their feathers are not due to pigments, but are a result of microscopic structures that reflect and refract light, creating a jewel-like appearance. Baby hummingbirds grow quickly and gain independence just weeks after hatching. Some species, like the rufous hummingbird, are impressive travelers, migrating thousands of kilometers between their breeding and wintering habitats. Hummingbirds rely entirely on their excellent vision to locate flowers, as they lack a sense of smell. And although they are small, they are fiercely territorial, boldly defending their feeding spots from any intruders. These remarkable creatures are truly a testament to nature's wonders.